However, I would ask maybe we could set this out. His mother has just joined the case. If she asked for a jury trial, I don't know whether she would have it on March 7th. We talked about having two separate jury trials potentially. There's also the
issues are largely the same, aren't they?
They are, Your Honor. But we also now have paternity possibly at issue.
The father.
Right. And so I don't want to go to jury trial and then find out that this is not the parent.
Why is paternity possibly an issue? What's come up?
I don't think that he's on the birth certificate. And there may be some indications that there is an unknown parent up there.
Your Honor?
No, I don't want to hear it right now. Is Landis Brown is the father of this kid?
My proposed client states that he is on the birth certificate and he's the only possible father.
So is he Ramon Trujillo?
That's Trujillo, yes.
So he is on the birth certificate. Does your client have the birth certificate?
They kicked us out of the hospital.
He filled it out at the hospital and they took the baby to the hospital. It's not happening.
Okay, so it's available at the hospital then. So the caseworker, do you have it yet?
We tried to get the birth certificate through the human resources downstairs. They did not do it. Her name still says baby girl spring. Father is not on the birth certificate. The birth certificate is actually coming from Denver.
Yeah.
The only way that we could get it.
Okay, so you've ordered it at this point. Well, I don't know. Both of them are saying that he's the parent right now. I'm not hearing. Is that correct, Mom? He's the father. Is that right?
Yes, he's father.
Nobody else? Do you have intercourse with anyone within 9 months of this baby being born? It's only him, Ramon Trujillo, right? You swear to that? Okay, I'm going to make a preliminary finding of paternity. Let's try both these people on March 7th.
Judge, just one more thing, briefly. We did see potential benefit in talking with Ms. Williams about a mediation in the courthouse. I don't know if we can get that done by the 7th, and that may be fruitful, quite frankly.
Okay, Ms. Williams, I don't know what kind of deadline we're up against right now on this, or Ms. Landis Brown, what your thoughts are on giving us some time to mediate.
Your Honor, on the paternity issue, I will have her fill out a paternity affidavit tomorrow at the PCC, so that may help us with that issue. As to the March 7th hearing, that's my Division 1 trial week, so I am not available. I have several things scheduled that morning, and we would be in a position where we would request mediation, of course, Your Honor, since I'm new to the case, and I'm new to the case, so I would request that we continue that.
I'm in court. Just.
Ms. Williams, what would you like to do?
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay, all right, you'd be willing to waive any time frames on this? We go outside the time frames. Is that a yes? Very good. Okay, well, let's set you for mediation. Set the 7th trial date, probably 30 days. Let's first get the trial date.
In that time, Your Honor, what happens to my baby? Do my baby get to come home with me?
I don't know the answer to that. They're going to have to work through that and determine what your safety issues are.
I have no safety issues, Your Honor. I raised 5 children of my own that are adults right now.
I get it, Mr. Trujillo. I get it.
I'm going to set this over to a criminal case April 4th.
And after I talk to Bridget, I'll know a little bit more after I talk to her this evening of what I should do as far as what Miss Williams wanted me to do.
All right.
April 4th at 9 o'clock for trial.
A new trial date's April 4th at 9 o'clock. You need to be here for that. We're going to give you a mediation date. I want you to attend this mediation. It's in the basement of the courthouse.
I'm going to try to conference them.
Yeah, if we lose you, Mr. Trujillo, we'll call you back in just a moment.
Okay.
So April 4th, 9 a.m.?
What does that mean? Put me on hold?
Yeah.
Mediation, Lucinda.
Lucinda, this is Cheryl from Division 16. We're trying to set a mediation on a juvenile
What's up, Kim?
case
before April 4th. What are you guys thinking? What time frame? Yeah, how about mid-March, if you have anything?
Mid-March.
Yeah.
Hey, what's the case number?
16 JV 1528.
Caseworker.
Summerall, Summerall.
County attorney.
Guthrie, Guthrie.
Okay, let's see, before April 4th.
Yeah, let's look around mid-March or so. Maybe even March 7th. Yeah.
Don't have anything on March 7th.
Oh, never mind that date.
Don't worry, we know.
Can you go into the next week then?
Yes, ma'am.
How about the 15th at 4?
See if we can get a consensus. Who's it with?
Patricia.
Is there any conflict with Patricia? Okay, looks like March 15th at 4 o'clock it is.
Okay, March 15th.
Yep, 4 p.m. Patricia Martin.
Okay,
Thanks.
thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Sure Mr. Trio got that date.
Mr. Trio, you still on the phone?
Yeah, I'm still here. March 15th at 4 p.m.
I get to the basement of the courthouse and stay in the old wing of the courthouse where my courtroom is.
All right. I don't know what time Bridget is being released, but we'll be able to go to that mediation together, right?
Yeah, that's fine.
Great.
Okay, any other orders being requested here? Nothing. Reasonable efforts to find anything.
Your Honor?
I gotta move on to another case.
I'd like to object to all this, Your Honor, and my baby be returned as soon as possible.
They'll do their best.
Okay.
They have to make sure you're stable.
All right. Thank you.
I'm glad you got that in before you hung up.
Yeah,
that
he tried to hang up on
motherfucker.
me. Do you see how they're all slimy like that,
Fuck
Jess?
yeah, did you hear them all fucking talking on the side?
Sidebar.
Scandalous ass motherfucker.
That's Leno's sister. Leno is your sister. Hello? How's it going? I'm getting Leno right now. Leno, you got a phone? Oh, okay. What? Where you going, Jess?
To the DMV.